Welcome back, dear students. In previous video we talked about meaning and characteristics of equity share. Now let's talk about types of equity share. First of all, we'll talk about ordinary equity share. These shares have voting rights. It doesn't offer a fixed rate of return. They are not entitled to get capital on winding up before paying to preference shareholders. Next is sweat equity share. It is issued to employees or directors of a company at discounted rate, issued for consideration other than cash. It must follow these conditions authorized by special resolution in general meeting. Number, price, consideration if any, and classes should be specified in the resolution. The company must complete 1 year. Equity share of those company must be listed in recognized stock exchange. Other equity shares. Other equity shares are of two types: equity share with voting rights, equity share with different rights in relation of dividend and having voting rights. Now let's talk about preference share. First of all, we'll talk about the meaning of preference share. Preference shares, more commonly referred as preferred stock, are shares of a company's stock with dividends that are paid out to shareholders before common stock dividends are issued. Most preference shares have a fixed dividend while common stocks generally do not. Now let's talk about the characteristics of preference share. In that, first is dividend. Preference shareholders have first right to get dividend at fixed rate. Remember that rate of dividend is fixed. Second, right to vote. Preference shareholders have right to vote for matter relating to their interest only. Third, preference. The investors preferring to buy this type of share as they like to have a steady fixed income and security of their capital. Next is market price. The price of these shares usually remains steady only when there is a change in rate of interest, then their market price changes. Next characteristic is proportion of risk. In this type of share, as compared with equity shareholders, the proportion of risk is less due to priority of repayment of capital. Next characteristic is repayment of capital. At the time of liquidation of company, after repayment of all the liabilities, preference shareholders have preference over equity shareholders to get repayment of capital. Types of preference shares are redeemable preference share before 20 years and second, redeemable preference share after 20 years. Dear students, just go through the video and revise the topic. In next video, we'll talk about retained profit or plowing back of profit. Thank you.